everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we want to make pineapple cake. Let's go for ingredients. A tablespoon of oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of coconut powder, 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice, 16 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 8 tablespoons of sugar. As you've seen, we add the sugar and the egg and the oil and the pineapple juice, and we mixed it well until it becomes white color. My friend has 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it well. Mix the baking powder in the flour. Now mix it trolley. Repeat the oven for 10 minutes. Add the coconut powder. Mix it well, my dear friends. If you're thinking that your cake batter is thick, add 2 tablespoons of milk. It's time to add the cake batter inside to the pan. So you'll see me pour the batter inside the pan, tap it 2 times, and add 1 pineapple, okay? Bake the cake for 30 minutes. And the pineapple cake is ready. Let's test it. This is super duper yummy, my dear friends. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Mwah.